Okay, this video is going to be about the different types of cardboards, and there's also a plastic board, and these are used mainly on but not limited to model making, especially in scale model making in architecture. Okay, just a brief overview. Let's start with the thickest one. A cardboard, they are called corrugated meaning these ridges. I don't know whether I'm using the right term or not, but you've probably seen some of the normal boxes that they are not double like these. Okay, so meaning that these double corrugated ones are pretty much stronger. Okay, and yeah, so a simple cardboard. Now moving on to, I think let me do the other cardboard here. These are really, yeah, they're single, they're not double corrugated, if you can see, and they're really thin and small as well. Well, these you can excuse me, you can I'll show you later the cutting technique in bending cardboard. Okay, so these are really ideal to make like a round shape. All right, okay. Now talking about cardboards that are not corrugated, meaning they don't have those ridges, that they are more filled. These are really thick and they are measured in millimeters. I forgot how thick this was, but I think this is one of the thickest I could find at the stationery shop. And usually what we use it for in architecture is making bases, because they are super hard, super strong. But when you build these, you build a big box, you might need a support because they do bend, as you can see. Okay, they're heavy, but they are still bendable. Okay, all right. And same type of cardboard, and they are just thinner. Okay, real thin. Now this one is a architectural construction paper. Okay, and you can build like furniture as well if you want, scale models out of it, but ideally they are kind of like a soft whitish tone, because some models do not need coloring, and it looks pretty good in this white tone as well. So these are construction paper that can be bent as well, and I'm gonna probably do another video about bending cardboards without using glue. Okay, so architectural construction paper for scale models. Now these are, future boards or plastic boards that are really useful. I like to cut them in stripes if I have leftover and use them to mix paint. I use them to build like a spraying booth, because they can be wiped with like a cloth and water, easily clean, although they do get dirty really easily as well. And there's just so much use for these maybe sheet picture frames as well. Okay, so that's a rough introduction about different types of boards, cardboard, plastic boards that are useful. Thank you very much.